Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you two hidden buttons that affect your phone's overall performance. And not only that, but they also significantly impact battery life, as there are duplicated functions that can be disabled to extend your battery life 2 or 3 times longer than usual. I'll tell you all about it now. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, look what I want to show you. When you go to your security page, you have an antivirus app that scans for viruses. It also checks apps before installation. Also, if you click on settings, you'll see what's scanned before installation, as well as scanned at any time. There's also remote access, update checking, system scanning, and so on. In other words, it's a fully fledged antivirus program installed on your phones, which you can enable manually or let it run automatically. But you'll be surprised, there's a second antivirus program on your phone that performs exactly the same functions, and even drains your battery even more. I think anyone who's installed antivirus apps on their PC or laptop understands that installing two different antivirus programs won't work well together, and the entire system will perform very poorly. So, if we exit, go to Google Play Market, click on our avatar or account, and look, there's also Play Protection. This is another antivirus program that scans several times a day. And it scans without your knowledge. And sometimes your phone slows down significantly because it's scanning, but you don't notice it. To save battery life and improve phone performance, of course, you should disable one of these apps. To do this, simply go to Settings. By the way, there's also a slider here that sends information to Google about your app usage. So, additional battery drain is, of course, very, very bad. First, turn off this slider. And second, simply disable this antivirus. Click Disable. Next, you'll be asked to enter your code or confirm that it's you. This is just a standard screen unlock. For example, I use my fingerprint to unlock my screen. I just put my fingerprint there, and it just turns off. But let me remind you that you have another antivirus program running, and it performs absolutely all the same functions. Whether you do all these manipulations I showed you is, of course, your own decision. I just showed you that this way you can really improve your phone's battery life and get rid of some features that run without your knowledge and that you absolutely don't need. Yeah,